So what we're doing today is cleaning, painting these lovely things. I don't know if they've ever been thoroughly cleaned. Well, okay. The cleaning and everything, that's one of a few things we're doing in this video. Another one is unboxing the goodies that we got from Techno Toy Tuning. And I'll figure out if there's going to be anything else. But until then, let me get these all moved out, get them cleaned up, and then we'll be back to just kind of go over what they look clean before I do anything else to them. So, be right back. Phase 1, hosed off with brake clean. Next phase, engine cleaner. Here we are, phase 2. Drying after the engine clean and a little more brake cleaner. Let's see how paint goes. And here we are, the final phase of, well, cleaning them up. Went with, I think it was a cast iron or cast aluminum, which goes with the fact that they're cast calipers, I think. Anyway, I feel like they're looking pretty good. I'm hoping the paint holds up because I tried to clean the hell out of them, but I also didn't bust out like a wire wheel and do some deep cleaning. I did not concern myself with removing things like the bleeder screws because I ordered new ones. So why worry about it? And plus it plugs up the hole nicely. So next up is going to be unboxing that box right there. Hooray! Let's get this unpacked. And if the label didn't tell me enough who it was from, they've got packing tape with their name all up on it. I'm guessing that's a sign that you've made it where, you know, you actually package your own stuff versus all the other crap I buy off Amazon or, well, Rock Auto. I buy from there too. But yeah, usually it's Amazon because I'm lazy and it seems quicker just to order it that way. And this took a little bit of time to get here. I'd say it is a reasonable amount of time. And in the end, I didn't need it any quicker because obviously I am not very organized on how I am doing any of my project. So yeah, let's see what we got. Besides a pain in the ass to open. There we go. La 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 la. So, under normal circumstances, I would have probably shopped around, but I wanted to give them a try. I could have probably found cheaper, but I didn't really feel like looking, so here we go. And who knows, maybe the quality's better. I've never actually bought from them before. But here is what, once I fold over my address and all that jazz, here is my list of parts that were ordered. Let's see if my shaking completely ruins the shot. So got camber plates meant for the 2nd gen Alltrac or 5th gen Celica, whatever. As far as I know, a lot of the things for the 5th gen are the same on the 4th gen. You got the coilover kit that comes with springs, a welding perch for the coilover. And apparently, because they contacted me after purchase and noticed that, you know, okay, you bought the camber kit, or not, yeah, you bought the camber kit, but you're also going to need those swivel bearings to go between the coilover and the camber kit, or the camber top hat. So, that was actually, you know, I'm kind of glad. I mean, yeah, it makes them a little money. They cut me a little bit of a price break on it just to get it ordered and part of the deal. So I was happy about that as I talk over crumpled paper. So yeah, they were quick to email saying, hey, so what spring rate do you want? Things like that. And I told them to make a suggestion because I don't know. I told them how I planned on driving the car. They made recommendations. I'm going to guess they're good. So here, I think this is the weld-on perch. I'm not sure. This has instructions. We'll get into this a little more when I return to doing the coilover stuff. But let's see what we have in here. I am not good at this unboxing thing. La 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 la. Okay. First up, here's the coil sleeve or whatever's. You've got this here. Looks pretty good. Looks like you got a little screw head there that you probably lock this in place. So yeah, that seems well enough. Seems like it could be a good purchase. I'll find out, and you will too. So we got that one, plus 3 more, the exact same thing. So let's put those over there. Next up, more Techno Toy tuning packaging. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's just yoink, yoink. There we go. Don't need to cut myself. Done it too many times in life. Why did you have to pack this so well? Yoink. There we go. Let's try again. And ta-da! There we go. Let's take a gander here. Camber plate. Most people have probably seen it. I have zero idea. I'm assuming that's Techno Toy tuning. I'm assuming that means camber plate. I'm guessing those are the measurements for the bolts. That's my guess, but actually looks pretty good. Has that in there. I think this is the interference. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we install it. I thought it'd have some play, but I was wrong. Looks like, yeah, looks good. Let's move on to whatever else is in this box. Okay, we've got another camber plate here. And a bag full of goodies. And I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna have to figure out what these are for. I'm guessing they're mounts. Well, no, maybe not. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm hoping the instructions will tell me. Because, yeah, I'm not always the brightest person. Okay, looks like the fun part, well, not really the fun part. The fun part would have just been ordering built coilovers and installing them, but there'd be no additional fun in that. So, let's find out what these look like. I'm guessing a lot like what their website looks like. Okay, this is a huge pain in my backside. Let's try the other side. Oh, no. Let's try opening it the right way. Dun 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 dun. Holy shit, that box is not very nice. Here's the coils. Hyperco. You have sticker there. Then these other prints in there. Look like they're just part of it. Like, maybe it was... I mean, it might be a sticker, but like here you can tell this is a sticker. Here you cannot. So I wonder if it was something under before they paint them or do whatever the hell they do to them. But they look good. So I'm going to guess that they're good. I've heard good things about them. That's the problem though. You know, anytime you hear good things, it doesn't mean you get the same experience as someone else did. Now, some of the other goodies, let's open this. I'm guessing this is going to be the little top hat roller bearing thingy of stuff. But, you know, if I can't open it, we'll just have to use our imagination. In the land of imagination. Let's also not cut myself. There we go. Boys and girls, this is why you put a new blade on regularly. Oh, nope. Like the top hat for the strut. So, or not the strut, but the spring. Hooray, shiny, looks good. Can't complain. Probably could, but it'd be on deaf ears if I had something to complain about. I'm just gonna ramble because I don't know what I'm cutting out of this. Okay, this looks a little different, so we're gonna see what's in here too, because I don't want to open all of the same things, because that'd be kind of a boring video, even more so than I'm used to making. Even I have standards. Ugh. Quit taping everything so much. Okay, what do we got next? Stuff and things. Things and stuff. That's all I got for you. Is this the roller bearing part? Oh, okay. This is a roller bearing. So I think this is what will be going on the top. Because this, as you can tell, moves. I'm guessing this is what sits against the camber plate. But we'll find out. Again, I'm glad they include instructions, because I would rather not question my ability in general on doing this. This looks like the other one I showed earlier. And this is the one I just opened. So, with that said, my review of this is, looks like I got exactly what I ordered. They shipped it reasonably, like reasonable time, and everything looks of high quality. So, let's be done with this. Yay! Next up, we're going to take the front struts that were on this car. I'm guessing maybe original, judging by the condition. But, yeah, springs look like crap. Top hats, you can see some cracking here. So, yeah, most of this wasn't going to be reusable anyway, I don't feel, or not wanting to reuse. So what I'm about to do is dismantle, remove, and get rid of the strut insert. So we kind of break it down to that, except I'm not going to cut off the spring perch. And this is why I needed to redo the struts. As far as I know, the strut, upon being compressed, should go back up on its own. Apparently, this strut has ED, because it can't get it up. So yeah, there's where we're at. Just dismantling. Here's a little small add-on before the end of the video. I don't know if I'll put it before the closing or whatever, But yeah, this is what just came out of the strut housing for my car. The odometer says it has like 186,000 miles on it. The spare set that I bought, that I've dismantled, had sensor tracks in them. So this leads me to believe that at maximum, these things had 186,000 fucking miles on them. Wow. Because, yeah, I mean, they were beat. I don't know if maybe earlier in this poor car's life it had them replaced. But as you can tell, it doesn't hold anything. It's dead. Ooh. So anyway, yeah. Honestly, I'm surprised the car didn't ride worse. It rode pretty bad, but my hell. This is sad. Anyway, I will call this video here because I've just done some random things. I'm not sure how long it is, but it's been like a week. So anyway, hopefully it was maybe entertaining or just useful or something. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.